Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Caitlin Sisney with your Banks and Brokerages Report for Tuesday, March 4th. Merrill Lynch Investment Bank named Thomas Sanzone Executive Vice President and Chief Administrative Officer. Sanzone will oversee Merrill Lynch's global technology operations and corporate services groups, according to Forbes.com. He most recently served as Chief Information Officer for Credit Suisse. In other C-Swiss news, online broker E-Trade Financial named Chairman Donald Layton, a veteran of JPMorgan Chase, to take over as its chief executive. Layton became chairman of the New York-based broker in November after it revealed huge losses related to investments in risky mortgages. Former CEO Mitch Kaplan resigned then and was temporarily replaced by Jarrett Lillian, E-Trade's president and chief operating officer, according to the Wall Street Journal. Lillian was asked to remain in his prior job, the newspaper added. In November, the hedge fund Citadel Investment Group invested $1.75 billion into the company and now holds a nearly 20% stake. Citadel supports Layton's hiring but doesn't hold an E-Trade board seat, the Journal reported. In other banking news overseas, Barclays said it has agreed to buy Russian rival Expobank for $745 million in cash. Barclays said the takeover will reach completion this summer, adding that it expects Expobank to contribute to earnings from 2011. The deal is in line with Barclays' strategy of increasing its presence in emerging markets, according to Thomson Financial. Expobank is a retail and commercial bank focused on Western Russia. The bank had net assets of $186 million as of December 31, 2007. Also in overseas news, HSBC may sell off peripheral assets as its profits were hit by a $17.2 billion write-down from bad debts and credit losses at its American operations. Douglas Flint, the finance director, declined to give details on specific divisions that HSBC would be prepared to sell, according to the London Times Online. Flint told the London Times, quote, "There would be a number of businesses at the periphery of what we do. If somebody thought they were worth more than we do, then we would clearly consider that." HSBC has come under pressure from some shareholders, including Knight Vinke, the activist fund, to offload its American division, which accounted for $11 billion in write-downs following huge exposure to the downturn in the U.S. housing market, particularly in subprime mortgages. HSBC paid about $14 billion to buy Household, a subprime specialist lender in the U.S. in 2002, but it has dramatically scaled back its presence in the country, effectively ending underwriting in the middle of last year and cutting the branch network from 1,300 to about 1,000. That's it for this Banks and Brokerages Brief. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click on our Banks and Brokerages section and read the latest developments.